everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. Except today's episode is called Carolyn and Her Boots. So today I am going to share with you my boot collection, okay? Some of these I don't wear often anymore, but I still keep them because you never know when you might need them, all right? So first up is a pair of riding boots. I believe these are by Bandolino. I've had them many years. They have a buckle here on the side and they have a low stacked heel that looks like a traditional riding boot. Zipper down the side. I probably got these at Macy's I would say 5-6 years ago, maybe even longer, when the riding boots were really in style. I will wear these when it's like dead in the winter and like just say I have a funeral to go to and I have a black wrap dress or a black sweater dress that I would wear to the funeral and it's in the winter time. I would put on the black riding boots, you know, because that's what will keep my legs warm. All right, so there's nothing wrong with these. They're just, you know, not exactly in style, but I kind of feel they're kind of a classic and I want to hold on to them in case I want to wear them. The next up is a pair of other riding boots, but in brown. These are by Coach, and typically I don't buy Coach shoes because I think they're really expensive and not really worth it in my opinion, but I had gotten a gift card many years ago and they were on sale, so that's what I decided to splurge on. They're very similar to the Bandolino ones. They're very comfortable, and I got these, gosh, I would say at least 5-6 years ago, so they're probably a little bit younger than the black ones. And yes, I used to wear these and the black ones a lot, like in fall and winter when I worked in the office. I just haven't worn them recently. Will I wear them again? Yes, but I just, you know, haven't had the opportunity to. Again, they're not really in style right now, but I just kind of feel they're a classic and I want to hold on to them. Okay, next up, another pair of shoes I haven't worn in a while, but doesn't mean I don't like them. These are, and they're kind of a rounded toe, but they have a heel. These are by Nordstrom's brand, Something Navy, and when I saw these first in the store, I swooned over them, all right? So they're all suede and they're camel. They're kind of like a weird shaped toe. So it's not almond and it's not rounded and it's not square. It's kind of like an almond square. I just adore these. You know, I used to wear these with white jeans, a camel turtleneck, and a camel blazer, and it used to make a great outfit. And my office was like a dressy casual, and I was able to wear something like that to the office. And I used to wear these quite often. I just haven't worn them lately because I've been home and my shoe choices have been slippers. Okay. Next up is another pair of riding boots, all right, or riding style boots because they're flat. So these just have like this little thing back here. There's no buckle on them and just a zipper. And they're very similar to the camel color here. So yes, I got two similar pairs of shoes, but these have a heel and these are definitely flat. These, believe it or not, I got these from Stitch Fix when they were still called Shop Your Looks, before it was freestyle, and they showed up and I was just like, ooh. So they are suede, definitely the rounded toe. So again, not really in style, but I consider these just kind of like a staple to have. And they're by Market and Spruce, and yes, they are suede. Yeah, I can't remember how much I paid for them. They were probably like, I'm gonna guess like 130, I'm gonna guess, all right? So if anyone really wants to know, I'll go way back as to when I purchased them because it was probably about 4 years ago, probably 2018, 2019 when I did purchase them. Okay, my next pair are these black ones that you guys have seen me show you. They're knee boots, right? And they have these ties in the back that absolutely drive me nuts because they never stay tied, no matter how tight I tie them or how much I double knot them. They always come undone and then they go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh on the back of my leg. All right, so these have a sizable heel. They're by Kenneth Cole Reaction. They are not suede, they're faux suede. And I got them in Macy's in the city, probably like 2018, 2019, okay? Again, they have like the rounded toe. They're not pointed, so they're not the latest of fashion, but I still love them, and I've actually worn these recently, very recently. All right, next one. These I probably got, gosh, I'm thinking almost 10 years now, and I still wear them. They're not tan, they're a taupe, so I'll compare the two, all right? They're more of a taupe color than tan. And these are over the knee boots, all right? They have a low heel for me. This is probably what, like a 1.5 to 2 inch heel? For me, this is low. Who are these by? These are by Franco Sardo. And again, they got the rounded toe, and I do wear these fairly regularly. I don't know if you guys actually see me wear these, but I will definitely wear them in the near future, like the boots. So that's it for my tall boots. So let's get into my lower boots, all right? First pair, okay, these are by Steve Madden. I got these at Macy's a couple years ago, probably about 2018, 2019, in their anniversary sale, all right? Cute, like them. Again, rounded toe, so more of an almond toe, I should say. This is an almond toe versus rounded toe. And yes, I've worn these, and I don't wear them that often because I tend to wear a lot of prints, but I will wear these. Matter of fact, you know, I threw on my black shoes. I think I'm going to throw these on instead of the black because I haven't worn these lately. So I had originally my black shoes I was going to wear tonight, but I think I will wear these. Haven't thought about wearing them. Sometimes I just forget I have them. All right, next up for a printed pair of shoe, and you've seen these. These are also through Nordstrom. I think these are BP. Let me see if I can figure it out. Yep, BP. They're faux suede. They're very soft, and I would have passed for them to being suede. They're very, very good quality faux suede. Quite a high heel, probably about, what, 3 inches? But they're very comfortable and very walkable, and I've worn these for you guys, okay? Let's see. Next up. Some that I don't wear so much anymore, and that's these. These are by Soul Society, and I got these, I believe, on Amazon, probably about 2017, 2018, so they definitely have the rounded toe. They definitely have the side zip. I haven't worn them this year, I don't think. That doesn't mean I'll never wear them, because you never know when you might need something. It's until it's something I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I kept that I'll finally get rid of it. I keep my stuff a long time. So I'm keeping these because you never know when I might need them. All right, what's up next? Another ones that, which ones are these? These are by Bandolino. They're black and they got a heel. These are what I used to wear when I worked in the office. And I would wear a pair of trousers in the winter, and this is typically what I would wear with them. It's just a little booty with the zip on the side, rounded toe. So to me, these are a very traditional, like, work classic boot. So I haven't really worn these much because I find them kind of boring. They're kind of like my work boots, you know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with them. If I had to go back into the office and it's this time of the year, you bet I'd be sporting these with a pair of trousers, okay? Let's see what's next here. Next up, all right, these are Steve Madden, and who did I get these from? South Moon Under, I think, on sale. All right, they're kind of like a Western look. You know, the cutout here on the side and the zipper in the back, and the big thick stacked heel. Okay, so I've worn these, and I'll continue to wear these, like these booties, a lot. Okay, let's see. You've seen these, the ivory booties. These are by Mark Fisher. Got them from Nordstrom. I don't remember if it was directly or through a trunk club. Like them, wear them, and there's my heel. You know me and my heels. I have to wear my heels. Okay, next up, my brown booties. All right, these I also got from Nordstrom. They're Steven. I don't think I got them in trunk club. I think I ordered them myself. Wear them, like them, very happy with them. Okay. Michael Kors, they're light gray, quite a high heel. I would say it's a 4-inch. These do give me a little bit of challenge due to the heel height. The zippers work on both sides. They're functioning zippers on both sides. They're a light gray color, okay? And yes, I do wear these. These have a very pointy toe. And yes, I do like them. And yes, I do want to keep them. All right. Next up are these funky Steve Madden that I wear quite often, and you're probably sick of me seeing them. You know, they got like the opening here on the sides, the zipper up the front, a very chunky, like rubberized lug sole. I got these probably like 3 years ago, and I really like them. Next up, pair of red. These I definitely got in a trunk. They're Vince Camuto, pointy toe, nice, 2.5 to 3 inch heel. I've worn these many times. You've seen me wear them, love them, no issues with them. So everything here I'm keeping. Just to share with you my booty collection. All right, who are these by? These are also by Mark Fisher. They're probably the same ones as the ivory ones. But these I think I got on Amazon, and they're a navy blue suede. Pointy toe, same kind of heel, zipper on the side. Love them. So when I'm wearing navy blue instead of black, I definitely wear these. Okay, last one is my trusty Vince Camuto booty. Okay, these are slip-on style, pointy toe, probably 3.5 inch heel. Love these. They're actually quite comfortable. Wear them all the time. Now go into my only 2 pair of Peep toe booties. All right. The first pair is by Michael Kors. All right, they're open here on the cutout, plus the cutout toe that makes them a peep toe, and they probably have a good 4 inch heel. These are also challenging to walk in. I typically wear these when I'm going out for dinner, and typically like in the time of year when it's September, October, when it's not quite sandal weather and it's not quite, boot weather. So I live in New Jersey, and you're gonna be like, oh my God, Carolyn, you're crazy with all these boots. But I'm wearing boots from like, October 1st until like April 30th. So this is what I typically wear. Now, if you think this is bad, you should see my sandal selection, So if you see what I have in sandals, then you're gonna think I'm crazy because I got just a couple months to wear those. But boots, I wear almost the whole year. So these, I have like 2 months I can wear them. The next pair of peep toes I have, and the only ones I might consider getting rid of, are these Chinese laundry ones that I got from Amazon quite some time ago. So they got a short stacked heel, right, which is not my favorite, and a zipper here on the side, and the peep toe here in front, and they're like a bluish grayish. I would wear these with a floral White House black market blouse and a pair of skinny jeans. It was a really cute outfit at the time, but I don't know, maybe I will get rid of these. I'm thinking about these. You guys let me know. Should I donate these? I don't know, maybe. So that is my booty collection. Wait, I missed a booty. I was putting my booties away and realized I missed one, which means now I'm gonna have to get fancy in my editing skills and slice this in there. So these are a dark chocolate brown Vince Camuto booty. I wore these before and showed you guys these before. These also would be a traditional booty I would wear to work when I was wearing pants and trousers to work in winter. This is what I would typically wear. In case I haven't ever mentioned to you, I can't really wear pumps unless they have some sort of strap, like a Mary Jane, a T-strap, or something like that. For whatever reason, both pumps and ballet flats, I can't keep my foot in them. They keep popping out. So I need some sort of strap that keeps them on my feet. So that's why you see me wearing so many booties or sandals, because I can't really wear pumps. Very few. Slingbacks aren't too bad. I can usually keep a slingback on my foot. But other pumps hurt my feet, and I can't seem to keep them on, and hence why you see so many booties. Okay, hopefully I figured out how to slice this in. Take care, and until next time. Think I'm missing something? I've been lately coveting brown snakeskin, like a dark brown snakeskin, and I think it's because I've seen people post them that they got them for the holidays, and then I think, what is it, not Front Door Fashion, Daily Look has a pair, and they caught my eye, at least in the ad they had them. I don't know if they actually have them. And then another ad showed them, and I saw over the knee ones in snakeskin, so I'm kind of coveting those. Do I need them? No, because I barely wear the black and white snakeskin that I have now. But I've been having my eye on those. So tell me, do you think I'm missing anything? Do you think I should donate anything? I think I'm going to keep the riding boots even though I'm not wearing them, because I feel they're a classic style, and it's one of those things I think if I got rid of and they came back in the next 2 years, and I'd be kicking myself that I didn't keep them. I've been the same size shoe since the end of 8th grade, so that's quite some time. Even through pregnancy, I stayed the same size shoe, so unless something is really horrible or just falling apart, I don't usually get rid of it because styles tend to come back. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you up? Click that subscription, click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know what other things you'd like me to share with you. I'm trying to keep myself busy in not shopping and providing content to you. Take care, and until next time.